Fact-checking being a replicable process gives the same verdict most of the time. But to stop the spread of false information, you first have to understand it. But this doesn't stop the spread of false information. So we're going to look at how to debunk images and videos on the internet. That will be easy if only you have the image and the video and one important tool called the Invid verifying tool. So first, add Invid to your Chrome extension. Here it is. So it will prompt you to add to Chrome. You click on add to Chrome and add extension. So you can see the progress at the bottom of your screen. Once it's done, it will notify you that it has been added to your Chrome extension. And what you do next is you make sure you pin it so that it can be easily accessible for your digital investigations. That's it. Since we now have our Invid verification tool, we'll start our digital investigations. And there's one that has been trending. Probably you've seen this video. It claimed that the Queen Elizabeth was feeding African children and throwing food to starving children. So this will be our case study for today. So what happens? Once you have this video, you will have to download it. And most of the time we use Twitter video downloader. It looks like this. So what you do, you copy the link that has the video and you paste it on this website and you download the video. It will give you a screen like this. And you click download. So once the video is downloaded, the next thing now you do is to start checking for the details and the facts about this video. And this is where now all the work begins. Since you have now your Invid on your Chrome extension, what you do, you click on it and it prompts you to open a toolbox or open an assistant or assistant for current page or open a classroom. You will click on open toolbox and click on keyframes. It will require you to upload the file that you've just downloaded, that is the video, and you have it here. You submit for verification. The progress will be seen. So one thing that Invid does, it breaks a video into fewer images or numerous images, which are called keyframes. And keyframes now help you to run reverse image searches. So this is what keyframes look like. These are fragments from the video that will enable you to now start checking for the details of the video online. So what you do, you right-click on one of the keyframes and click on Fake News Debunker by Invid and run the image on all the other search engines. It will open close to 5 other windows on your browser, and you start checking for the details of that video. So once your search engines have been opened on your browser, what you do, you start checking for the facts on the image or the video that you're trying to investigate. That could be Google, Yandex, Bing, TinEye, whatever search engine that you will be trying to get the facts from. So for this one, we have the results from Yandex, and it leads us to Wikimedia Commons, a digital gallery for images and video. So what Wikimedia Commons shows is that this video was taken in 1901, and published online in 2015 by Blu-ray publication. And it shows French women throwing coins to Vietnam kids and not African kids or kids of color, as earlier claimed. The video is 55 seconds long, and the one that has been circulating on the internet is about 30 seconds long. So if you look closer, you can see the language inscribed on the wall is Vietnamese, and even the women seen on the video, they don't resemble the queen at all. And the kids as well, they're not black, just from the texture of their hair and their skin color. So clearly this video was not taken in Africa, and that is how you fact check a video. We've looked at how to debunk videos online.